Season's greetings, everyone. Mike McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada. We have corrected what the Plek machine missed at that neck-to-body junction. Level crown polished and buffed them out. Compensated nut is done, and we cut a new compensated saddle. There was a split in the back that I put a cross-grain Koa splice along the rosewood back. A $100,000 CNC machine missed a spot. We got the spot that the CNC machine missed. So compensated nut will buff those frets out, and this guitar will never play better than the day I hand it back to this customer. Okay, we'll walk you through this tuning test now and the Epiphone with the compensated nut, compensated saddle. Seventh fret. Okay, so now we'll do the round robin on all the different chord inversions. This is where the crack was in the back. I didn't refinish the whole back. Mike just wanted it solidified. I inlaid a little spear of rosewood in there, and it's as good as new. Probably a little stronger than new. Okay, let's go through some chords. E major 9. D. First position. F. G. One 6-10 in E major. For anyone else that's interested in those compensated nut packages, let me know. We'll get them out to you. A few more sort of chords in E major. So if we do thirds along the middle two strings with the open first and second strings, so as I've shown in so many other videos, I really like to use that interval of a tenth, because a tenth, of course, is just a third moved up an octave, and of course thirds are the basis of tertian harmony, or how we build chords in the Western world.